Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. Greetings to you all. In today's video, I will be sharing a little of our history regarding our bauxite. Jamaica is the leading bauxite producer of the world. What is bauxite? Bauxite is the ore from which aluminum is made. The ore. What is the ore? What is the ore? Okay, the ore, you'd consider it as it said it's like a rock, um, it's formed into a rock from the red clay. The red clay, the dirt, or you call it the soil, okay? In which of the following ways does the disposal of red mud affects the environment in Jamaica? It pollutes water sources, it kills vegetation, it makes the air unpleasant. All the above. That's how bad it is. Jamaica output per worker is high compared to most other countries where bauxite is mined. Wages in the Jamaica bauxite industry are low compared to other countries where bauxite is mined. And that is saying true or false, which the answer is false. Wages in Jamaica bauxite industry are low compared to other countries where bauxite is mined. That is false. In the first stage in the refining process, bauxite is refined to alum, alumina, aluminum. The answer is aluminum. Jamaica contains some of the largest known deposit of bauxite in the world. It's true or false? The answer is true. Yes, Jamaica contains some of the largest known deposit of bauxite in the world. Bauxite is found in tropical or subtropical region. It is also used as a raw material for making several products. And we could go on and on, but I just want to share a little of our history behind our bauxite with you. Until next time, thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, share, and continue. Be blessed.